Get right to breaking news in that ongoing investigation into former President Trump. I'm Natalie Pasquarello.
And I'm Gilma Avalos in for David Ushery. A special counsel was just named, and he's going to decide if Trump should face charges. Chief investigative reporter Jonathan Dienst is in the newsroom with the very latest on this. John?
Gilma, the Attorney General said the special counsel's work starts immediately, overseeing two major investigations involving former President Trump: the handling of sensitive records that were found at Trump's Florida home, and separately, Trump's actions leading up to the January 6th attack at the Capitol.
I have concluded that it is in the public interest to appoint a special counsel.
Attorney General Merrick Garland today said a special counsel will now lead the investigation into former President Trump.
I am tonight announcing my candidacy for President of the United States.
And now candidate for President Trump, in part to avoid any appearance of a conflict.
It also allows prosecutors and agents to continue their work expeditiously and to make decisions indisputably guided only by the facts and the law.
Garland said the special counsel will have two main jobs. First, to decide if crimes were committed when classified documents were taken to Trump's home at Mar-a-Lago and whether attempts were made to obstruct that investigation. And second, the special counsel will decide if there was any conspiracy leading up to the January 6th riot at Capitol Hill or any attempt to interfere with the election results.
The investigation into whether any person or entity unlawfully interfered with the transfer of power following the 2020 presidential election or with the certification of the Electoral College vote held on or about January 6.
The Attorney General appointed Jack Smith, a former federal prosecutor who has worked in the Eastern District of New York. He's also a former assistant DA with the Manhattan DA's office. He has worked at Main Justice, helping run the Public Integrity Division, and most recently was working with an international court in The Hague investigating war crimes in Kosovo. Smith issued a statement saying he will exercise independent judgment and will move the investigations forward expeditiously and thoroughly, whatever outcome the facts and the law dictate. Former President Trump already going on the attack. This is a totally expected political stunt by a feckless, politicized, weaponized Biden Department of Justice. President Biden himself has said he is strongly considering running for re-election. This is the third special counsel in recent years. Robert Mueller helped lead the so-called Russiagate inquiry, and John Durham led a special investigation into the origins of accusations of collusion between the Trump campaign and Russia. The Attorney General said he's taking this, quote, extraordinary step to try to protect the Justice Department from claims of political interference now that both Trump and Biden could be running for president as the two federal criminal investigations involving Trump come to a head. The special counsel works independently but still answers to the Attorney General. If the Attorney General overrules the special counsel, the AG has to explain that decision to Congress. No word on when this investigation might wrap up, with the campaign for 2024 already heating up.